Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sajjad Ahmed. This is my 15th video, and in this video I am going to discuss about how we could learn from the nature. Friends, I will show you different scenes of nature and will talk that how we can get help from them. Thank you. Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, the first example I showed you, all these birds are flying peacefully. I can simply say very peacefully. If birds can fly very peacefully and nice to each other, why we as human beings cannot live together peacefully, nicely? We saw all over the world, everybody is fighting everybody. We see millions news every single day. Hope we can understand by the birds. If they can fly together peacefully, why not us as a human being? Thank you. Dear friends, the second video I showed you is about sharing. All these birds are sharing each other. We can see they don't know other birds' race. They don't believe in race. They don't believe in colors. Most of the time, they don't know who is sitting next to them. So they are sharing each other, sharing food. We as a human being can do the same. We can share our food with other people. We can help needy people. If all those birds who are not human beings can do this, why not us as a human being? Thank you. Dear friends, the third example I gave you, the third video I showed you is about honestly together. We can see in this video, they are very honest to each other. They're not bothering, they're not fighting each other. So we as a human beings could be honest to each other too. When we be honest, I promise you, we will be very happy. The society will be very happy. We can change our society being honest to each other. All these birds, as I said before, if they could be honest to each other 100%, you saw in the video, we as a human being could be too. Thank you. Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, the fourth and last video I showed you is about kindness. We can see how the nature is kind to each other. We as a human beings could be kind to each other too. We must have to understand about kindness. If nature can be kind to each other so much, we as a human beings, why not? Thank you. Dear friends, today the purpose of this video is how we could learn from the nature. I can show you thousands videos, but what is the reason I'm showing you this? As a human beings, as a society, I just want to show you how we could live peacefully together, respectfully together, helping each other together, honest to each other. I believe we will definitely get help today from this video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you and God bless all of us. Thank you.